My name is Heather Douglas. I've lived here, Gwyn James Court. It's a sheltered scheme in Penarth, and I've lived here since 2006, and I'm very happy here. When I was living in Cardiff in a private flat, I didn't know my neighbours. Everyone was out at work all day. I was out at work myself. I went to visit my uncle in Scotland, and he lived in a scheme like this. And I thought something like this would suit me. Total independent living. I come and go as I please. When I did move here, I had people ringing me up and saying, "Oh, who put you in there?" You know, there's a perception that it's for old people, but I was still working full time when I moved in here. The main group I'm involved in is the scrutiny group, the tenant scrutiny group, and that was formed about 3 years ago, and it's been rewarding because all the recommendations we put forward have been adopted by the Newydd board. And we get incredible support from the chief executive down. As an R&IB assessor, I look at the decoration. Our scheme, Gwyn James Court, has been painted to the visibly better standards. These groups are open to anyone. Anyone can get involved. It is good for confidence because it does improve your social skills, I think, because you do meet people from all walks of life. And it's very rewarding, especially when you see that it has made a difference. To move here, to move into any of the schemes, you can keep to yourself or you can get involved. The choice is yours.